What's up, you guys? I'm the Central Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, amen. Always remember some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest here. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, you guys, amen, okay? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we got Tower with Justice with the World. Okay. So somebody's going through a Tower moment, somebody's going through karma, and that's justice, and everything's coming full circle here. Child, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Let's see, y'all. Whoa. Okay, somebody could have thought they had something, and it literally slipped through somebody's fingers. We have karma. Okay. Somebody could have thought they had something in the bag, but it slipped right through their fingers. We'll never tell the truth. We'll take it to their grave here. A mother or grandmother figure. A mother or grandmother figure. A grandmother figure will never tell the truth. They will take it to their grave here, okay? Is this connected? Okay, it's just the grandmother figure or the mother figure of a speaker and activist. Okay, so this is the mother or the grandmother figure of the speaker or this activist here. They will never tell the truth about something. They will take it to their grave. Ooh, child. Okay, everything is backfiring here. Okay, yeah, because somebody's a starseed. Okay, somebody's a starseed. Okay, ooh, child. Somebody's a starseed. Somebody's an ancient alien, ancient being. Okay, somebody is not of this world. Child. Okay, so this person hates you. Okay, so this person hates you. So what? Okay? Amen. You didn't do nothing to this person. This person did something to you, and now everything is backfiring. And still, they will never tell the truth. They will take it to their grave here. Okay, we have a T. Is this connected? Male? Female. Okay. So what's going on with this feminine with the letter T name here? Warrants being issued. Police involved in setting somebody up. So the T person, the T female, warrants are being issued. Okay. Police definitely involved in setting somebody up. Are they involved in setting the female up? Okay. So yeah, warrants are being issued for the feminine with the letter T name. Is this connected? The police know about somebody having somebody's mail forwarded. Okay. The police also know about somebody having somebody's mail forwarded as well. Okay. We have an ex-con. Is that supposed to come out? No ex-con. Okay. So tell us more. We have a same-sex relationship here. Is this connected? Okay. So what's going on with a same-sex relationship? Tower. So whoever's in a same-sex relationship is going through a tower moment. Connected. Okay. So somebody's got a vehicle on somebody's name. You're so protected it's not even funny. So who's got this vehicle on somebody's name? I might need to get the other part. Not only does somebody have a vehicle in your name, they got a whole life insurance policy on you. So they were just trying to take everything from you, including your life. The DEA is watching this person, so the DEA knows. This person is being watched by the DEA. They know that this vehicle that somebody has is in somebody else's name. And they have a life search. So the DEA knows what's going on here. Okay. Somebody was also doing suicide spells as well. So this person was doing suicide spells on you. They were literally trying to take you out or get you to take yourself out because they have a life insurance policy on you and a whole vehicle in your name. Okay. We got a BMW. Is this connected? Okay. So what's going on with this BMW? Water sign male. Is there a water sign male that has a BMW? Cancer, Pisces, a Scorpio. So there's a Scorpio male that has a BMW. Okay. What's going on with the Scorpio male that has a BMW? What did they need to know here? People are scared of you. People are scared of this Scorpio male with the BMW. They're not scared of this male. This Scorpio male with the BMW is scared of somebody. Okay, so this Scorpio male with the BMW is scared of somebody in the collective. Okay, they are scared. Connected, male, female. Okay, so we got a feminine with the GMC here. Yeah, you're seeing these people's true colors. Okay, you're seeing their true colors. We have a Ford. Is this connected? So this person with this Ford and this person with the GMC are connected. Male, female with the GMC, a male with the GMC, a male with the Ford. So a male with the Ford and a male with the GMC. Okay, these people are still trying to keep somebody isolated. Okay, they're still trying to keep somebody isolated. Somebody went to court acting like somebody, and they're doing death spells in the background here, okay? Because they literally went to court acting like you. Is this connected? Okay. Who went to court acting like somebody here? Yeah, you guys are out here changing the world, and these people are literally going to court acting like you, like they're trying to make a difference in this world. No. Yeah, this person is being watched by the FBI. This person that went to court like somebody is being watched by the FBI, so the FBI knows that this person went to court acting like somebody else. The FBI is also watching this person that's changing the world. So both people are being watched by the FBI. One for good reasons, one for not. Oh, family members as well. Is this connected? Does somebody have a family member that went to court acting like them? So the FBI is watching somebody's family members. So the FBI is also watching somebody's family members as well. Okay. With letter H. Connected. Male. Female. Okay, what's going on with this feminine with the letter H name? Okay, this bitch is psycho. Okay, so there's a feminine with the letter H name. This bitch is psycho. Okay, we have a Cancer. Is this connected? Cancer male? Female. Okay, what's going on with this Cancer female? Oh, they're having out-of-body experiences. So whatever they were doing is backfiring. They're having out-of-body experiences. Okay. Somebody has an energetic parasite. They could have been definitely trying to send you this energetic parasite as well. Okay. This person belongs to some kind of fraternity or sorority here. Trying to send you an energetic parasite. Detectives have evidence against this person as well. These people are being watched all over. You got the FBI, you got the DEA, you got the police. Okay, detectives have evidence against these people. They have evidence that somebody has a vehicle in somebody's name. They have evidence that somebody has a life insurance policy. They have evidence that somebody went to court acting like somebody else. And poverty spells. This Cancer female is trying to send an energetic parasite towards somebody as well as do poverty spells on them. Somebody's a dirty president of a company, an organization, a secret society, and they can look, but they cannot touch. Okay, they can look, but they can't touch. There's nothing. Everything down here is saying that these people are being watched and listened to. Everything that these people are doing is being watched and listened to. If these people are going to the bank, they're being watched. If these people are on the phone, they're being watched and listened to. Okay, just like these people think they're hacking your device. But somebody tried to hack my device last night and downloaded three things on my phone. As soon as I seen it, I said, I took all that off. Everything that these people are doing is being watched and monitored. And there's a grandmother, mother figure that's coming after their own child. That's a star seed here. Give me my card. Okay. That's it? Okay. Get the Empress on the bottom of the deck. Two cups. Somebody could be losing their hair. Okay, somebody was in a relation within the past here. Somebody who was in a relationship within the past, they took from you here. They took. So 6-6 could be significant. They definitely took something from you. Okay. Yeah, this person didn't have no love for you here at all. This was a love bomber. They just came in, they had one purpose, and that was to destroy you, to try to take something from you here. Yeah, to try to bring chaos to your life. Okay, that's exactly what this person came in for. To take from you, to hide things from you, and to cause chaos in your life. And now they're in despair. Now they're in despair. Because what their intention was for you. This person doesn't want to let go. This person has to let go and move to calmer waters. So they have to let go and move to calmer waters. Somebody may be coming, rushing in and speaking some kind of truth here about a situation as well. So yeah, somebody who was in a relationship within the past, like I said, this person took something from you. They did something to take something from you. That was their intent. They came in, okay, to love bomb you, to wreak havoc in your life. And now they're in despair because it's backfiring. Now they have to let something go and move to calmer waters. What is this truth? Somebody's got to take a leap of faith and come in and see some kind of truth here. Because they already know that they cannot cause illusions for you anymore. They cannot do this. Like, you see them for who they are. They cannot cause you no illusions at all. You're not heartbroken about this situation. You moved on with your life, okay? You moved on with your life because you're a healer. You don't got time for this. This is what you do. You see that light shining down on you? People love you. Animals love you. I would feel like somebody's watching me. Somebody can be getting a message from the justice system as well. Hold up. Okay, somebody's been watching somebody here. They see you getting good news here. Or this could be somebody could want to bring you in some good news here. Okay, so somebody's watching you. They see that you're still getting good news here. Whatever somebody was doing, whether it's moon magic, divination, spying, candle magic, mirror magic, moon magic, any kind of magic, ruins, whatever, it's backfiring. So somebody could have been scrying as well. Scrying. Yeah, whatever they're doing is getting blocked. It's getting blocked. Astro traveling, astro projecting, it's getting blocked here. Okay. Is the Queen of Pentacles doing this? Or are they doing so? It's the Queen of Pentacles here. Okay. Are they doing this to the Queen of Pentacles? Is there a Queen of Pentacles involved? So there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's two Queen of Pentacles. One involved and one in doing it. Okay. Yeah, somebody's stuck now. They're stuck. They're stuck. Yeah, they're stuck. They cannot slow you down anymore. They cannot do this. No matter what they cannot slow you down anymore. They cannot slow you down anymore. But it's over now. There's an ending. Death. Truth. But it's over now. Amen, child. It's always over with, but these weirdos, they keep doing the same thing. Like, make that shit make sense. Somebody was working with your exes, your family members. I've heard a half-sister, a sister-in-law, some cousins, some aunties, a mother figure. Everybody was involved. Where's my box? Alrighty, let's go, y'all. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Okay, so we got a fake charity. Misty. Misty's involved with fake charities. All these people involved with fake charities is Aaron, a male, a female. So Misty's involved with fake charities, David and Aaron. Okay. Misty's involved with fake charities, David and somebody named Aaron. Connected. Okay, somebody named Randolph is also involved with some kind of fake charity. Is Misty also energy harvesting? David, Aaron, Randall. Is it Randall or Randolph? So Randall's also involved with fake charities, energy harvesting. Okay. So Misty's involved with fake charities. David's involved with fake charities. Is David energy harvesting? So they're both involved with fake charities. Aaron's involved with fake charities and energy harvesting. Randall's involved with energy harvesting. And then we have a Judgment Day. Okay. Judgment Day. Come on. Separate. Judgment Day. Connected. We got Keenan. They flew in the States then, child. Keenan, we have Ethel. Edward. Keenan, Ethel, and Edward. Okay. So Keenan, Ethel, and Edward. Okay, something is significant about Friday. So what happened Friday? Or what's going to happen Friday? Connected. Joyce. It's connected. Okay, something happening with Edward, Ethel, and Keenan on Friday. They did something on Friday. Keenan, Ethel, and Edward did something on Friday. Is it spell work? Is it hacking? Fraud? Jail? So something happened on Friday. Or something going to happen on. I don't know what they did on Friday. Okay. So it didn't say nothing. So we have Joyce. Somebody's name Black. Somebody's last name Black. Somebody have a black vehicle. Does Joyce have a black vehicle? They're connected. Okay, so Joyce is connected to somebody with a black vehicle. Connected. Is somebody in Jamaica? Somebody's Jamaican. Joyce, somebody with a black vehicle. So Joyce, somebody with a black vehicle, and somebody that's Jamaican. Okay. So Joyce, somebody with a black vehicle, and somebody that's Jamaican. Joyce is hiding documents. Somebody with a black vehicle is hiding documents, and this Jamaican is hiding documents. Male, female. So Jamaican male, somebody with a black vehicle. Female, male. So female with a black vehicle, a male Jamaican, and a female named Joyce. They're hiding documents. Is this connected? So somebody named Unique is also hiding documents. Okay. So somebody named Unique is also hiding documents here. Sally. That girl. Okay. Okay. My bad, y'all. Amen. Okay. Is this connected? So is Sally also hiding documents? Okay. Sally. That girl is also hiding documents. I can't help it, y'all. Amen. Okay. Oh, what? Is this connected? Joyce involved with organ trafficking. This female with a black vehicle is involved with organ trafficking. This Jamaican male is involved with organ trafficking. Unique is involved with organ trafficking. Male, female. This person is involved with organ trafficking. And Sally. Are they hiding documents from organ trafficking? They're hiding documents from what? Forgery, fraud. So all these people are hiding documents of fraud, but they're all involved with organ trafficking as well. So this is like a cult type of thing here. Cult organization of like frauds and organ traffickers. Yes, Sally. That girl is too. Okay. Connected. Okay. Wow. Erica. Andrea. Masons and Eastern Stars. Ooh, I just heard this is deeper than you know. And I just got the chills all over my body. Like, what? Erica, Andrea, and Daisy. Okay. Erica, Andrea, and Daisy. Quinn. Are these females connected to the hiding documents, the organ trafficking? So these 4 females I just pulled out are involved with the organ trafficking as well. Quinn, Daisy, Andrea, Erica. The only one that, so Quinn is hiding documents, but not organ trafficking. But all the rest of them are involved with hiding documents or organ trafficking, or both. Connected. Lily, Lillian. Okay. Hiding documents, organ trafficking. Lily, Lillian. We have Brighton. Connected. Hiding documents, organ trafficking. Jeez Louise, child, amen. Evelyn. Connected. Hiding documents, organ trafficking. Connected. Caitlin. Hiding documents, organ trafficking. Okay, so Caitlin's involved with both. Okay. This person also has a gun. Okay, so this person also has a gun. This person also has a gun. We have a Sagittarius. Connected. Male. Female. Not connected. Okay, so we're just going to leave it out because there's a lot here right now. So there's a lot of people involved with these forging of documents and organ trafficking. Okay. So Misty is involved with a fake charity. David's involved with a fake charity. Aaron has been energy harvesting, okay, and is involved with fake charities. Randall is involved with energy harvesting. Judgment Day is here. I don't know what happened on Friday with Keenan, Ethel, and Edward, but something definitely took place on a Friday. Was this a good thing? Bad thing? Did something happen to these people? These people done something bad, illegal, corrupt on a Friday here, okay, towards somebody. Is it hacking, fraud, spell work, murder? So this is, they did like spell work on Friday. Edward, Ethel, and Keenan. So they did spell work on Friday. Now we got a lot of names down here. Hold on, y'all. Amen. Joyce, hiding documents, organ trafficking. The female with the black vehicle, hiding documents, organ trafficking. The Jamaican male, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Okay, who else? There's a lot. So, Unique, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Sally, that girl, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Hiding documents, organ trafficking. Erica, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Andrea, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Some Masons and Eastern Stars as well involved. Daisy, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Quinn, hiding documents, organ trafficking. No organ trafficking, but hiding documents. Okay, that's what came out before. Lily or Lillian, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Brighton, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Evelyn, hiding documents, organ trafficking. Caitlin, hiding documents, organ trafficking. And Caitlin has a gun. Okay. All right, you guys, that's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Select all. Y'all have a blessed day. That's a lot of people, and I'm pretty sure that's just not even just a little bit of it. You know what I mean? Okay, that's just mind blowing. But I know there's way more people, way more people. There's just got to be, child. And man, this is crazy. All right, you guys, that's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember to call back your energy and your power, you guys. I love you. Amen. Amen.